sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm David. Nice to meet you. Oh, guys, let's move on now. Today I'm going to show everybody 3 Halloween DIYs. This will be so much fun. I hope everyone enjoys this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Well, let's get started with today's video. Okay? Hello. Okay, for project number 1, we're going to need a printout of a skull head of your choice. I chose one with no teeth here. I just wanted a really simple one to follow. You're also going to need a board, and it doesn't matter what kind of board. I just found this board laying around my house. Just make sure it is pretty thick. This one's almost ½ an inch thick. And we're also going to need spray paint to spray paint it when we're done. You're also going to need finishing nails of your choice. I prefer the ones that have a little bit of head on the top of it. Also, you're going to need a hammer and some all-purpose thread in white. And let's get started. So you're going to center your skull on here. And then we're going to take our nails and just start hammering all the way around where the outline is. So I'll start here. And you don't have to hammer all the way in, just a few taps. After you've completed that, and I'll kind of bring it up closer, and then you're going to take the piece of paper and tear it off. We don't need it anymore. After you pour the piece of paper off, then we'll take our spray paint and spray paint the entire thing. After you've spray painted your entire skull, like I just went ahead and spray painted everything because it's kind of hard to just get the board. Alright, we're going to take our thread and we're going to tie a knot around one of the nails. It doesn't matter which nail we start with. As long as we get it around one of the head of the nails pretty tight, then we'll be good. Now that we got it started, we can go crazy as long as we obviously don't go in these circles, but just within this piece here. So we'll just kind of hook it somewhere. And we're just going to fill this entire thing up with the white thread. I recommend going around the head of this nail, just like one time or two, and that way if you accidentally let go, the string won't keep coming undone. As you could tell, I kept struggling with it in the beginning, so just a thing. And here is our finished product. Let me pick it up so you guys can see it a little bit closer. You're going to stop at the Dollar Tree and pick up a vase. I prefer the shape. I tried looking for like a candle stick holder for this project, but I didn't obviously find one. So I like the shape of this, like how it's bigger on both sides and skinnier in the middle. Resembles kind of like that candle holder feel. So I can leave it this color or spray paint it black. I'm going to leave it this way for now. Possibly spray paint it afterwards, just depending on if I like it this way or not. I thought purple would go good with a Halloween theme anyway, and then you're going to pick up this bowl. It's a candy bowl. Got this like spider web type thing. And then we need 2 types of glue here. We need a hot glue gun, which is plugged in, ready to go. And our E6000. And you could get this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joanne Fabrics. I think even the Dollar Tree might sell a little thing of this. I get the clear, transparent kind. You can get whatever kind you want. About $3.99. I can't remember. Use your coupon at Joann's or Michael's, even Hobby Lobby, and you can get a really good discount, like 50% off a single item. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. So first, I'm actually going to put the open end of the vase facing down, and we're using this end here. I'm going to get my glue open and ready. We're going to just squeeze this E6000 all over, just to make sure this is nice and secure. So I just kind of spread it all over there. Then we're going to use our hot glue gun. Okay, and we're going to just pop it right down in the center here. And I'm using both types of glue, that way it is secure right away with the hot glue, but once the E6000 dries, I'll know that it's more secure. I'm going to go ahead and just put some glue in between here, just so I know it's secure to the vase. And then I'm using hot glue, and I'm going to go inside here. Hopefully you guys can see okay. This is my first time with the angled camera effect. Now it is nice and secure. You guys can all see. That's what it would look like from the side view. That is the top. And we're done. That's it for this project. So this is just like a little tray, and we will display things inside here. Put like a pumpkin inside of here, or you know, like here's a different one. And then you could fill it with candy around it if you wanted to. Okay, so the last project I'm gonna show you here. You're gonna need one of these little tea light candles, and I just get the ones that like you can turn on and off from the back here. And it will light up like that. We're gonna need some kind of like fishing line, or I have like here see-through like stretchy string. That will work for this project. You need a brush, some paint, just some white paint, some scissors to cut your string, and then a witch's hat. You can get these at the Dollar Tree now. They sell them for $1. I got this last year, I think 90% off. I think I got it for like, I think 10 cents or something, honestly. At Target when Halloween clearance went, but so I'm going to remove this label here. Okay, the first thing we're actually going to do is paint our... You can save these from like paper towels or from the lint rollers, the cardboard piece, or even like toilet paper roll would work for this project. Anything that's like cardboard and round, or you can even make your own like with cardboard and roll it. I don't recommend all that. Just reuse the stuff you got. I mean, you're going to throw this away anyway, so might as well make use out of it, right?
If I have any paint left. Oh man, is it looking so good? Oh gosh. Okay, so we're just gonna paint this whole thing white.
Once you're done painting this completely like white, then we'll take our... And if you have like, so if you're using like a toilet paper roll and see how it like doesn't fit, you can use your hot glue gun to glue it in place, but you are going to have a hard time turning it on and off. You won't be able to reach the switch. So I recommend finding something that's pretty similar in size to the piece. That way you can just pop it in and out. So like I'm going to leave mine on, but this is nice because I can pop it out when I need to. I'll just push it in. Just like that. And we're going to get our string out. And first we're cutting like about 7 inches or so. It doesn't really matter here. We're going to tie a little loop around the tip of our candlestick right here. See that, guys? That's where we're tying it around the actual light. If you're using like string like I am, I would tie it several times to make sure that the knot won't come undone. So now, light you can hang. Then, you guys probably guessed it, we're going to hang this piece inside the hat. I'm going to cut a little hole so I can pull this through here. Okay, see, after you string that piece to the top here, okay, we're going to cut some more string here. What I'm trying to do is tie a knot so the thing won't fall back through. You don't have like the candle like shoved into the tip of the hat like this. That way the candle will have some space to kind of go down. So I'm tying like a knot so the knot will stay right here and let the bottom piece hang how it needs to. So I'm going to leave these little pieces right here. I'm going to pull those through the tip of the hat. Then it should get stuck. We can find the tip here. Okay, so then we'll turn the hat inside out, and the piece where we cut, we're just gonna actually tie a little knot. Okay, just like that. Tie a little knot in the inside of the hat. After we got our knot secure, we're gonna push it back through this way. We could just pull our string, and that's what the tip will look like. And then here is our candle hanging. Here, I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can. Okay, so here is how the hat will look. So if it's hanging from the ceiling, our candle will be kind of hanging a little bit low, and then this clear string will make it look like the hat is floating. And then you can make several of these and just hang them all around your house, like maybe down your hallway or whatever, to kind of spook things up and give it like Harry Potter vibe. And here we have the hat hanging from our ceiling. Yeah, so if we hang like several of these like down the hallway, you can imagine that would create an effect. And maybe in another video I'll show you that after I've completed that many of them.